MyBeeh Hive was created with the consideration of environmental protection and convenience of beekeeping. It is easy to assemble and easy to manage, reducing labor and increasing honey production. Let's take a look at the features of MyBeeh Hive. MyBeeh Hive is Korea's only monofloor bee box and honey super separated beehive that is convenient for beekeeping, and is a new concept beehive with various convenience of functions. In addition, it is designed to provide a comfortable environment inside the beehive and easy to remove dew condensation with the floor and lid. The large capacity ventilation window on the lid and the inclined structure of the floor. Explaining various convenience functions of MyBeeh Hive. Using MyBeeh Hive reduces the amount of labor with various convenience functions. 1. Multi-purpose entrances. Using the versatile hanger of the versatile entrance, it is easy to install it. You can freely adjust the size of the entrance. It is convenient to implement the daily beekeeping technology. Use a rain screen as a separator. In spring, when the bee force is strong, it can be used as a general entrance by removing the middle sentence of multi-purpose entrance and turning it upside down. Two, it is easy to install the rain cover. Simply put the rain cover on the beehive when it rains. It is easy to fix the lid when a heavy rainstorm comes. Insert it into the lid and body with U-shaped fixing pin. Three, moving beekeeping. No need for a mobile net. There is a floor ventilation window, so you can open the floor ventilation window. Fixing the super light is simple. With MyBeeh's small ultra light retaining pin, there is no need to use a fixing spring. When moving beekeeping, there is no need for rope bending to tie the beekeeping containers one by one. You can fix the floor, body, and lid using the U-shaped fixing pin. 4. EPP 30mm with excellent heat retention. Cool in the summer with a floor ventilation window and a body ventilation window that can be opened and closed in summer. And in winter packaging is not required. Honey productivity. MyBeeh Hive has multi-purpose entrance, attached honey super, and monofloor bee box, making it easy to incorporate new beekeeping techniques to increase honey production. 1. Convenient to implement the daily beekeeping technology. You can adjust the entrance of the multi-purpose entrance to make the two entrances to the left and right, and use a rain screen as a separator. 2. You can easily prevent swarming. Install a queen excluder on the platform and close the platform entrances. Just open the entrances of the wall and make a bee's doorway. Install a rain screen and a landing plate over the rain screen. The queen bee is locked in a monofloor bee box, and the worker bee enters and exits only through the honey super. Also, if necessary, you can assemble the entrance on the back and use it for mating.